Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna put some mud flap, because as you see, this one doesn't have any mud guard or splash guard or whatever they call it. And this is a 2021. As you know, my other one got messed up. It got totaled, so they paid off, and I just get back this one. So this one doesn't have the running board on it, which I miss, and it doesn't have the splash guard on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the splash guard. I'm gonna install it. As you can see, they are OEM splash guard, so I wanted to get the original ones to get a nice fit. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the driver side. I'm gonna go ahead and put the driver side on first, so I could know what I'm doing, so I don't look so bad on the other side. Okay. So let's get started. And I'm gonna try and leave a link in the description for where I get this. If I remember, if I forget to put it in the description, you guys can comment and ask me, and I will go back and search for it and so this is a set. They have all four in it. There on there you can order one piece, but this is that's the part number for it. If you have a Honda Passport, which I have, that's the part number. And we're gonna order, and we're gonna put this on. All right, so let's start again. So guys, we're on the side where the business is about to take place. I just finished the other side. Let me show you what it looked like. That's what it looked like. That's what it looked like. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So because I was driving and it's dust and everything there, I just get a wet rag just to clean where I'm gonna work at. So once that's clean, you want to get the wheel also supposed to turn to the side you're gonna work on. I'm on the right side, so turn it to the right, as you can see right here. So you guys can use this or a regular short screwdriver like this. Gotta be a Phillips screwdriver, and you can use a thumbtack to pierce some holes right here, because this is real soft right here. So once you get a thumbtack, you can pierce that, or you probably can use the screw itself. So you can use this, your Phillips screw, but this would be good for the back, so you don't have to take the tire off. So basically, as you see, you can use this and it will pierce a hole into here. You see the hole right there? So let's go ahead and get so I'm gonna tighten back this one right here, because I noticed I lose two of them and it's only one that we need to take loose. So just tighten that back up. I'm gonna put this like this, put this back over here. And then it comes with some hardware right here, as you can see. So it comes with more screws and clips. So we're going to need 2 screws for the front, and also 2 screws for the back, 2 extra screws for the back. So we're gonna go ahead right where I start the first one. let me turn the camera so you guys can see. That's it for the other one. So what you can probably do, try to loose it up, try to place it where you want it to, tighten it up. So this side is finished. That's what it's gonna look like. So basically you get 2 new screws for right here that goes in the washer I showed you earlier. This screw you reuse this, and then the rest of the bag is gonna go for the back one. So let's head to the back. Alright, so in the back we're gonna need to remove these 2. We're gonna reuse them anyway, so don't lose them, don't lose them. And also for these, this one we got to make sure the side that receives the screw, which is this part right here, goes right here, goes on the inside, so the flat side gonna stay out. And the same thing for this one right here, you gotta put one on the fender, on the mud guard. Make sure the flat side stay down, just like that. If it's too loose, you can also squeeze it. You can also squeeze it together so you get tight a little bit, but that's how it's gonna be. When you're installing it, you want to make sure you hook it underneath. So you want to make sure it goes on over like this. You see how that look? You want to make sure it goes over like this. So let me show you one more time. Set the clip back right. So you want to hook it over like this. And get back your screws and put that in. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and hook this back under here like I show you. Then bring this up. Then what we can do is catch our screws. You want to make sure you catch all your screws before you tighten up anything. Once you catch everything, you want to hold it flush to the body, and then you tighten it down while keeping pressure on it, because you don't want any gap to be in it when you finish. So hold it to the spot you want. Go ahead and tighten that down. And that's it, guys. That's what it looked like with the mud guard. So please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have a video coming out on me reviewing this truck, see if there's any difference between this and the 2020, because this is a 2021, the older one was a 2020. So we're gonna stay tuned for that. Peace out, see you next time.